This short story for motivation has got 1.7 million views in one video. In today's video, I'm going to try to start a similar YouTube channel using only AI. I plan to automate the entire creative process, from script writing to visuals to voiceover and more. I came across this idea while scrolling on YouTube looking for channel automation ideas. Then I found this channel, which is about short stories for motivation. After doing some research, I found the daily to yearly income of this channel, which you can see on your screen. Let's go for it. Okay, our channel has been created. Now we need to figure out our branding. I'm starting off by asking ChatGPT for give me 10 creative motivation channel name. There are many to choose from. Fuel for your dreams, I kind of like this one. Next step is our profile picture. I'm going to use Lexica, open source AI art generator. Let's generate a motivated boy cartoon profile picture. To finish up the branding, we need a banner. I'm just going to use Canva to create a banner. The channel branding is all done by AI. Now the real challenge is making the videos. So my target audience is those who need motivation to move forward in life. So I came to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to give me short story ideas for someone who needs motivation to move forward in life. But I want him to read this short story to get motivated and get an idea to move forward in life. As you can see, ChatGPT will give you some ideas. A second chance at sound. This story is about a one girl who is working hard in life. I like this because it's very interesting idea that we can start with. Now that we have a story idea, we can ask ChatGPT to write a short story on it. So once it's done, when writing the story, all you have to do is copy the story. And the next step is to create the voice. Go to 11 Labs. I'm going to use this tool because it's free. And it is using AI technology to generate the voices that sound like a real person. All you have to do is paste the story that you have created using ChatGPT, and then select the whatever voice you want. Once you have selected your voice, click here and download the audio. Once it's done downloading, just go to pictory.ai and create a free account. If you already have an account, just click on login and then click on this one, script to video. Now paste the text that you have just generated from ChatGPT, click on proceed, and it's going to take a little time. Now you can see that AI has already written the subtitles. Alright, I think this is gonna work. Now we need to create a thumbnail for this video. So for that you need to come to Canva. I will put all the links in the description and just click on YouTube thumbnail. Now you can add some text to make it stand out. From here, you need to upload your image. So take your time to create your thumbnail. Now just click on share and download the thumbnail from here. Congratulations, your channel is ready. I hope you guys learned something from this video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe.